If you work on Seadoo Sparks, or even just own one, and you don't have a remote run extension cable yet, you're making life harder than it needs to be. Today I'm showing you how to run, service, and diagnose a Seadoo Spark with the top deck completely removed using the Spark remote run maintenance power cable. It's a game changer for servicing Sparks. This cable is sold by Reliable Tuning, and they have the setup I recommend. SBT sells the main extension cable, but they do not sell the IBR harness portion, which you need if you're working on IBR-equipped Sparks. This cable set gives you full system power with the deck off, no guessing and no reassembly just to test it. This is the IBR portion, which is sold separately. If you don't have reverse on your ski, then you technically don't need it. But your buddy may have IBR, so it's worth getting it. I have links in the description if you want to grab one for yourself on Amazon or eBay. If you use our links, it helps support the work we do, bringing you helpful, free content, and we appreciate any support you can offer. Here's the Spark with the top deck removed, sitting next to the bottom hull. With this cable plugged in, the ski thinks everything is still connected. This means you can start the engine, monitor how it's running, check for vibration, misfires, and sensor issues, diagnose IBR problems and check operation, and verify repairs before you bolt everything back together. Which, let's be honest, is way better than putting the deck back on just to find out, yeah, that wasn't it. The big plug cable is the main power cable, and the smaller plug is the IBR system cable. The red tab built into the wiring plugs are just connector safety locks. All you have to do is slide the lock up, and you can then push the connector tab and unplug the connector. When you can run the ski with the top deck removed, you can see exactly what's going on because everything is visible and accessible. And here's where it gets even better. You can also run the Seadoo Spark on the water hose while the deck is completely separated from the hull, cooling water hooked up, engine running, and full visibility and access to everything. This is perfect for cooling system checks, island throttle diagnostics, verifying repairs after a teardown or reassembly, and doing clean controlled testing without water splashing everywhere. If you have a Spark that is equipped with a carbon ring, you don't want to run your ski for more than 3 to 5 minutes continuous because in that range you can cause premature carbon ring wear. Just remember, this is for maintenance and diagnostics, not for full throttle driveway launches. If you're a DIY Seadoo owner, this cable makes working on your Spark way less painful. And if you're a tech or a shop, this cable set pays for itself fast and save time alone. This is the flush setup I use for most Seadoos. You should always have a water supply shutoff valve built in to have quick access to turn the water on and off. Once again, the Reliable Tuning remote run maintenance power cable set with the IBR harness that SBT doesn't include is a setup I recommend. I'll drop links in the description where you can find it on Amazon or eBay so you can get one for yourself. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world Seadoo and PWC tech content. And as always, fix it once, fix it right, and keep it on the water where it belongs. We'll see you in the next video.